channel. I am Guaranty. Today I'm on Lagos Badagry Expressway. Precisely, I am at the Coca toll station. You can see there is a toll plaza erected on the expressway. So there's going to be another toll plaza right here, and I'll be showing you the area view of this particular expressway from Coca Express, so you can see how this place looks like. The service lane will be free. For those who don't want to pay toll, you are going to be making use of the service lane. But if you are going to make use of the express road, you will be paying toll for this road. Presently, this express road is terminating at Okokomaiko, and from Okokomaiko, the federal government is taking up the project. In between the express road, there is a road track that connects from Okokomaiko to Marina. Presently, the rail tracks stop at mile 2, which is where the first phase of the Lagos Blue Line will be terminating. Afterwards, the second phase will begin from mile 2 right to Okokomaiko. Just ahead of me, we have the Orile Bus stop and we have the Orile Train station as well. There is a BRT lane along this corridor. So guys, follow me and let me show you the area view of this place, so you can see how Lagos Badagry Express from Coca Express look like. So guys, let's go and let me show you the area view.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Time to when things were easier, before it got all complicated. Oh, just give me the strength to move on, cause I don't really wanna move on. I gotta do what's best for me. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no.
Yo. catch you one more time. I